a cube plus a square is equal to 36. Find a. The equation is a 3-degree equation. That means highest degree is 3. This implies there will be 3 values for a. First step, take 33 to LHS. A cube plus a square minus 36 equal to 0. Next step, find the value of a which satisfies this equation. For that, let us assume P of a is equal to a cube plus a square minus 36. Here our aim is to find the values of a which satisfies this equation. Satisfying the equation means what? When you substitute that value, this equation gets reduced to 0. So put a is equal to 1. That is P of 1 is equal to a cube. Substitute a is equal to 1. So 1 cube plus a square. 1 square minus 36 equal to 1 cube 1 plus 1 square 1 minus 36 not equal to 0. 2 minus 36 is not equal to 0. Means what? 1 is not a factor of this equation. Next put a is equal to 2. P of 2 is equal to a cube. 2 cube plus a square. 2 square minus 36 equal to 2 cube 8 plus 2 square 4 minus 36. 8 plus 4 12 minus 36. Again not equal to 0, which implies 2 is also not a factor of this equation. Next put a is equal to 3. P of 3 is equal to a cube. 3 cube plus a square. 3 square minus 36 equal to 3 cube 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 plus 3 square 3 into 3 9 minus 36. 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Means it satisfies the equation. This when we substitute a is equal to 3 in this given equation, the equation get reduced to 0. That is 3 satisfies the equation, which implies 3 is a factor or one value of a is 3. But that is a minus 3 is a factor. So one value of a is equal to 3. To find the remaining values of a or remaining factors, divide this given polynomial by a minus 3. Since 3 is a factor, when we divide this equation by a minus 3, the remainder will be 0. Next step, divide a cube plus a square minus 36 by a minus 3. A cube plus a square, this is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, and next one want to be 1 degree, but it is not given. So in order to avoid confusion, plus 0 a raised to 1. 0 into any number is 0 minus 36. So divide this equation by a minus 3. Long division method. To find the first term of the quotient, here first term of the dividend is a cube by first term of the divisor a equal to a square. Next a square into a minus 3. A square into a cube. A square into minus 3 minus 3a square. Subtracted a cube minus a cube 0 plus a square minus into minus 3a square. A square plus 3a square plus 4a square plus 0 a raised to 1 minus 36. To find the second term of the quotient, now here first term of the new dividend is 4a square. So 4a square by a equal to 4a. So second term is 4a. Next 4a into a minus 3. 4a into a, 4a square plus into minus minus 4a into 3, 12a. A is same as a raised to 1. Now subtract it. 4a square minus 4a square 0. 0 a raised to 1 minus minus 12a. That is 0 plus 12 plus 12a minus 36. Now first term of the new dividend is 12a. So 12a by a equal to 12. That is third term of the quotient. Plus 12, 12 into a minus 3. 12 into a, 12a. Plus into minus, minus 12 into 3, 36. Subtracted. 12a minus 12a, 0.
Minus 36 plus 36 is 0.
Remainder is 0. Next mark dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. We all are familiar with division algorithm, right? That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is a cube plus a square. 0 into a is 0 minus 36 equal to divisor a minus 3 into quotient a square plus 4a plus 12 plus remainder 0. Is a cube plus a square minus 36 equal to a minus 3 into a square plus 4a plus 12. Now here question is a cube plus a square minus 36 equal to 0. Implies a minus 3 into a square plus 4a plus 12 equal to 0. Product of two terms equal to 0, which implies either first term is equal to 0, 0 into any number is equal to 0, or any number into 0 is also equal to 0, that is second term is equal to 0. So this implies either a minus 3 is equal to 0 or second term, that is a square plus 4a plus 12 is equal to 0. So a minus 3 is equal to 0 implies a is equal to 3. Next to solve a square plus 4a plus 12 is equal to 0 and find the values of a. Here highest degree is 2. So there will be 2 values for a. That is, this is a quadratic equation. So here by using quadratic formula we can find out the values of a. For that first find the discriminant. A square is same as 1a square. So a is equal to 1. That is coefficient of 2 degree is 1 and b is equal to 4. Coefficient of 1 degree is 4 and constant is equal to 12. First find out the value of discriminant. That is b square minus 4ac equal to b is equal to 4. So b square is 4 into 4 16 minus 4 into a1 into 12 equal to 16 minus 4 into 1 4 into 12 48 equal to minus 32. So here b square minus 4ac is minus 32, that is value is less than 0, which implies no real roots. Roots are imaginary. So root of b square minus 4ac equal to root of minus 32 equal to minus 32, you can write it as minus 1 into 32, that is root of minus 1 into root 32. Root minus 1 is I into, do the prime factorization of 32. Find the square root equal to I into 2 into 2, 4 root 2 or 4 root 2 I. By applying quadratic formula is, here you need to find out the value of a. So a equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is equal to minus b4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac 4 root 2i by 2a. 2 into a equal to 1. equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 root 2 I by 2 into 1 is 2. 4 is common, take it out. 4 into minus 1 plus or minus root 2 I by 2. Here 2 is common, cancel it. Equal to 2 into minus 1 plus or minus root 2 I. 3 values of A. First one 3, 2 into minus 1 plus root 2 I and 2 into minus 1 minus root 2 I.